Howdy, howdy, rock hounds. Here I am again, going to show you the rock tumbling reveals stage 2. Got mine marked stage 2. And they've been tumbling for 7 days in silicon carbide, 120, 220 grit. Again, for 7 days. So let's check this out. Wow, it really reduced in volume, didn't it? Okay. And yes, I'm out here in the dark because it's after work and it's when I'm doing it. Hee hee. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay. I need to get a bigger tumbler. That's how it goes, right? All right, here we go. All right, that feels good. Let me rinse off my hands. Ah, getting wet. I'm sitting on a towel. All right, let's have a look at these. Ooh, nice. See, I don't care if they have imperfections. This feels nice and smooth. I'm always amazed at how smooth they can get, even after just stage 2. That one's pretty. Ooh, that one's really nice. Very nice. Hopefully that shows up. See, I just don't, I think it gives it character. What do you guys think? That's got some really pretty green, red. Ooh, that's really nice. Neat. Ooh, that feels so good in my hand. I like it. Yeah. And I like these ones that have the lines in them that almost look like etchings. Yeah, these are nice. This one was a pretty decent sized piece. And wow. Again, feels really, really good. I really like those colors. Interesting shape. And this one was actually the biggest rock of all of these in here. As you can see, it's still the biggest, but I call that like a nose. Doesn't that look like a nose? Looks like a nose to me. Oh, I really like these colors. Neat. Just kind of a swirled. Okay, that one's pretty cool. Again, I like the way that feels. Feels really nice and smooth. And I like these pockets. I've done these before, and I don't know. I don't think the final polish will get in there, but we'll have to see how that goes. And we got just a basic green here. Still pretty in its own right. All rocks are pretty in my opinion. Oh, that's neat. Ah, feels nice. Oh, there's a bit of a rough patch. Can you see that? It's all right though. Ooh, nice. Hopefully this is picking up on the camera and you can see this. Oh, that's nice. It looks like it's, of course I'm outside in the dark, but that's almost like black with a bit of orange. Just a basic red rock. I seem to recall, can't tell in this light, that had a different color on one end, but that might have wore off. Well, this little thing just got super tiny now, didn't it? I don't know if you can even see that. Okay, what do we got here? Some cool looking colors there. Ooh, now that's nice. I don't know if this is focusing or not. Looks like it's blurry on my side, but anywho, hopefully you can see that. That's really pretty. I like that. Very nice. Okay, what's this? This is another one of those chert type rocks that keeps breaking every time. Bummer. That one might get tossed. Oh, that's cool. Very nice. I think this is one of those rocks that started out red. You'll see it in my first video. Gotta check that out for these rock reveals. Pretty cool. And a couple more light colors. I like it. I like the lines in them. It just really adds some depth to it. What else do we got here? We've got this one. It's kind of nondescript. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that one. Okay. We got this reddish one with a little bit of yellow in it. I wonder if that's jasper. Ooh, I like the way that feels though. That's nice. And another pale rock, kind of nondescript. But again, I like the little detail of the little lines in there. It's just so fascinating to look at. Ooh, I remember this one. So this one's kind of a grayish rock, kind of hard to tell in this light. It almost looks like blue on top and maybe a green with a tan, reddish orange in the middle. And that may be what it is, but here, when I went in the house and looked at them after stage 1, this rock was more gray, but yeah, that's really nice. Ooh, nice. Oh, I remember this one, yeah. This is kind of rough right here. But again, that doesn't matter to me. Oh, nice. Now that's nice. Yeah, that's cool. Interesting. It's got some rough right there. In fact, I might have to rinse those off again. It feels like a little bit of grit still on it, but also rough rock. This one's kind of cool. Is it the one that was like... Is that the one that looked like it had a spider on it? I think it is. When my mom looked at it, she says, oh, I see one. Oh, there it is. It looks like it has a spider on it. Legs. See that? I don't know. It's smaller now, so you can't tell as much, but that's pretty cool. Maybe plain to some people, but I think it's cool. The geology that made that rock. Neat. It's pretty smooth. There's a few lines in it, but now this one's cool. This one doesn't look anything like it was when I first picked it up. Don't ask me what color it was originally, but it was definitely not this. This turned out so awesome. How cool is that? Reminds me of chocolate and mint. I'm a major chocoholic, so yeah, this is just awesome. Okay, let's go a little faster here. Oh, I think I just saw another one that was like that. So here we go. Awesome. Pretty darn cool. Yeah, these are nice colors. These are all rocks that I got either, I think something like this I got in the desert in Central California. And a lot of these other ones, though, that are smaller and more round, I think I got them at the beach in Central California, which is where I do most of my rock hounding, because it does take a while for me to get to these places, 2 or 3 hours each way. Not complaining, it's always good to get there. And here's some more. Ooh, that's really nice. Got some mahogany depth to it. Not so much on the back. Oh, I like the shape of this one. It's just got a nice, almost rectangular wedge shape. It's like cheesecake. And somebody took a bite, a piece of cheese or something. Just kidding. Anyway, ooh, that's nice. Even though it's just a little broken piece. All right, we're getting down there. What do we got left? Yeah, we got some more small pieces again. That's probably because I put those back in there. Okay, so here we go. We've got, this is nondescript. Wow, that got a lot smaller. Holy mackerel. That's like really tiny. That's amazing. And another nondescript one. Okay, cool. Oh, that one broke. I might have to toss that one. Shoot. What are you doing falling? There's another one. That's cool. Kind of a grayish black with white. This one's pretty. Look at that. It's too bad it's so tiny. But yeah, that's neat. That'll probably keep the rest of its shape for stages 3 and 4. Pre-polish and polish. Yeah, you don't lose much volume, if any. Shouldn't lose any volume, I should say. That's kind of a nice warm color. It's looking a little more orange on my cell phone than it is in my hand. Who knows? Anyway, that's party. That's nice. Yeah. Imperfections at all. That's what I like. Very nice. And we're getting down to the wire here. What else do we got? That's another one I think that was all red. Orange type rock. Got that in the desert too. It looks nothing like it did before. Like it does now, I mean. Another nondescript green one, but still kind of cool. And good grief, some of these rocks got so tiny. So I'm doing a puzzle where I'm putting these back together. I took a picture of them before I polished them, and then I polished them in stage 1, and then I try to put them back together. So it's been really difficult. It took me a while to do that. I'm probably going to have the same challenge again with these, but it's interesting to compare the before and after pictures, so I'll have those up before too long. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this content, follow me, hit like button. I would appreciate it, and support me. I support you, and I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much. We'll talk to you later. Rock on!